Hey everyone, welcome to E-Concepts. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for businesses of all sizes, CRM, or Customer Relationship Management. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just curious about how companies manage their customer relationships, this video will break down everything you need to know about CRM. Let's get started. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. At its core, CRM is a strategy and technology that helps businesses manage interactions with current and potential customers. Think of it as a system that stores customer information, tracks communication, and helps businesses build stronger relationships with their customers. To further clarify the concepts, let's talk about the key functions of a CRM system. Its basic function is contact management. This helps us to store and organize customer information. At second number comes sales management. This function tracks sales activities and pipelines. Then we have marketing automation. It's about automating marketing campaigns and tracking their performance. At number 4, we have the key function of CRM, and that is customer support. This function manages customer service requests and support tickets. In the end, we have analytics and reporting, which provides insights into customer behavior and business performance. Let's move further and review some common applications of CRM systems used across various industries. In retail, CRM manages customer preferences and purchase history, while in finance, it tracks client portfolios and financial transactions. In the real estate sector, CRM manages leads and property listings. In the healthcare sector, CRM tracks patient interactions and appointments. In the last, we have the hospitality sector. Here, CRM manages guest preferences and bookings. Next, I'll shortly discuss some of the most widely used CRM systems worldwide. Zoho CRM is an online software that is great for small to mid-sized businesses. At number 2, we have Salesforce, which is the world's most trusted CRM platform, known for its robust features and scalability. Then we have HubSpot, which is popular for its user-friendly interface and marketing automation. While Microsoft Dynamics 365 is ideal for businesses already using Microsoft products. In the end, we have Oracle CRM, known for its advanced analytics and AI capabilities. Implementing a CRM system can transform a business. Let's see how it benefits the industries. CRM increases sales by identifying and closing more sales opportunities. CRM automates repetitive tasks, freeing up time for more important activities, thus increasing productivity. CRM helps better data management by centralizing customer data for easy access and analysis. CRM improves customer service by providing faster and more accurate responses to customer inquiries. And further, it improves customer relationships by building stronger, more personalized relationships with customers. Now the question is how to select the best CRM system for your business. Choosing the right CRM system depends on your business needs. Here's a quick checklist. Identify your business goals and pain points. Consider your budget and resources. Evaluate the system's scalability and flexibility. Check for industry-specific features. Look for user-friendly interfaces and good customer support. That was all for today. Thank you for your time. Take care.